Hello and welcome to my new membership section of my YouTube channel. Here I'll introduce you to the 4 options I have with different price points, and let me show you what each price point will allow you to do. Now the first option, called Showing Some Love, will allow you to have your comment posted up to the top. So if you are in that number 1 option tier, when you post a comment, it will bypass all of the normal subscribers and viewers and put yours towards the top. And along with that, you're also going to get a special little badge that will allow you to be viewed as a top member. And the longer you are a member, the color of your badge will change. Now, the second option, which is called Supporting My Channel, that will allow you to watch videos before they become live on Saturdays at 11 o'clock. So if there's a video that you're looking to watch, you could actually look at it at any time. So you don't have to pretty much wait. Okay, then we have option 3 called Keeping It Real. On that one, this will allow you to be able to make a more customized video for you. So say you're having some issues with your lights, you don't know how to do it, and as long as you could comment on any one of my videos, and since you're going to be a member, that will shoot your comment straight to the top, and I'll be able to see your comment. And if you're, like I said, having issues with some lights or anything on a bike and I'm able to replicate it on mine, I will do a customized video for you, showing you step by step on how to fix it or modify it or whatever it is that you're asking. And along with being an option 3 member, you'll also be able to get videos on how to install LED lights like I do over here on the Venom Motorsports e-Vader. So I'm going to go ahead and push the button for that. So as you can see, I have the lights kind of changing colors. So you'll be able to see videos like this on how to install LED glow kits, not only on the e-Vader, but other particular bikes as well. All right, next we have the last one, which is going to be the 4th option, and that's going to be called the Ultimate Love and Support membership. On that one, it's going to allow you to access videos that are a little bit more valuable, like this one. This one is my GSX-R 1000, and on this one you'll be able to see videos like this. So let me go ahead and pull this up real quick, and we'll be able to do videos on how to do a multicolor DRL setup. So once it pulls up over here, I'll put it on for you guys so you can see. So videos like this where it's a little bit more intricate, a little bit more customizing and stuff like that, you'll get that in the tier 4 or option 4 package. So things like that. And lastly, also in the option 4 department, you're also going to get not only doing lights like this on the Gixxer, but also doing more custom lights, headlights like on the R3. So lights like these, which is going to be a custom LED eye setup. So as you can see here, we have more of a customized, headlights. And not only for the R3, I also have videos for custom headlights on different other bikes. And on the option 4 department, you are going to get access to those types of videos. So if you are in option 4, not only you'll be able to see videos like this for the custom stuff, but you also have access to everything else, along with being able to see videos earlier before regular viewers. And along with, like I was saying, videos that hold more value, also in the option 4 department is going to be the video of how to do the battery and motor upgrade for the Venom Motorsports e-Vader. You're also going to see that video in that particular category. I made it easy for you to join. Depending on your device, you may want to look for my join icon underneath the video. There should be a little icon that says join. And if you don't see it there, there's also going to be on my main page, there's going to be a little hyperlink. And that if you click on that first hyperlink, it's going to say, join. I'll bring you to the join page. And if you don't see it there, if you look at any one of my videos, you're going to see in the description box, you're going to see the join link there. So once you click on it, go ahead and select the option that you're most interested in. And that's going to be pretty much it. Now you're going to be an exclusive member to my channel. And with that being said, I'm also going to be doing shout outs. So if you are a member, I will do a shout out for you in my videos. I hope this video helped you out in explaining the memberships to you. And if it did, I hope to see you as an exclusive member in the future. Thank you and take care.